Hey, what's up, family, friends? How you guys doing? Hopefully everybody's doing all right. Yeah, first off, thank you, for the karaoke tag, I guess you would call it. Yeah, normally I wouldn't do this kind of stuff because I don't like to do the whole pass it on chain or like the tag backs kind of stuff. But I figure, since it's been a while since I posted up a cover of any sort, I figured why not? Just be a good sport and do it. So yeah, so this is the tag bag, I guess you could say. And plus, I'm not gonna tag anybody because personally, I think all my friends list, I have too many talented family members that could sing and play as well as friends. So I'm not gonna tag any one of them. You guys can do covers and stuff and tag other people if you guys want, but yeah, this is just gonna be me just doing a simple cover. So hopefully you guys like it. I'm gonna be doing the guitar because acoustic because I don't feel like hooking up audios and mics and stuff, so just do a quick little cover. So this cover is Mr. FBI's, I think, one of his newer songs called Bloshum Tolo. So hopefully you guys like it. Yo toke wale, te toke shilu, there's only you don't it's okay. Chikuyo ti toka, mupi do chia, tope yoke, toto iso. Yo ti to toke lu dong lu. Chỉ cho con mù trâu lúa giờ tay nhu mô lì cha giờ là tay bên có trâu giờ hoa cất tàu có lo hoa cụ tu nó tên lo hạt tia tự chỗ chỉ bỏ tâm này giờ cây buồn nhanh trông lưu ni lỡ tới vì cú tia yo cây lọn đế buồn luôn lên nó giờ chỉ tàu gió kết tơ lỡ giờ cây yo co yo tì tao gió cây lưu tròn đua ý rằng gì chỉ yêu chỉ cho con mù trâu lúa giờ thế lưu mô đi cha giờ là thế bên có trâu giờ mùa cả tàu có lon đong cùng nhau. Thì tao gió kỳ lưu tròn đua ý rằng gì chỉ yêu chỉ cho con mù trâu lúa giờ tay yêu lúa bố lì cha giờ là tay bên có trâu giờ hoa cả tàu có lon đong cùng nhau. Alright. Have a good night, guys.